How to fix sending message failed on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix message sending failed on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix message sending failed on iPhone, there are a couple of first things that you can do. The very first thing I want you to do is just try to restart your iPhone. For that, press the volume down as well as the power buttons together and just slide to power off your iPhone and then restart it, right? Then once you've restarted your iPhone, then on the next specific page what you actually want to do is you want to simply go ahead and make sure to check your network connection, because sometimes your cellular tower could be in a place where you're not in a proper tower option. Then in that case the message could be failed to send. Sometimes it's also the issue because you don't have enough balance, so just make sure that you have enough balance, and also make sure to check with the carrier to see if the type of message you're trying to send, like MMS or SMS, is actually supported. Now what you need to do is, if you're on iPhone, open up settings and then go to general, go to iPhone storage, look for the messages app over here. Once you look for the messages app and then you want to make sure to tap on it, just make sure to go ahead and look for messages and tap on it. Then once you tap on it, look for the option called offload, and then you should be able to reinstall the messaging application. This way you can actually solve fixed message not sending on iPhone. Hope this video helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.